What's going on, people? I hope you're all well and enjoying the sun. I am, for sure. So yeah, if you hear a whole load of wind, it's both sorry and not sorry, because the sound might sound a bit weird, but also not sorry because the air's cooling me down. So yeah, that's good. I'm gonna get straight to the point. This car's not starting, and it's gone from frustration to more frustration to disappointment to now to the point where I know I need to do something about it. And I've reached a whole bunch of people. So many people have tried to help. Nothing has actually made it better. So let me just go through the symptoms. So what I believe is happening is the ECU is not getting any power. The alarm system, like on any car, the red light that blinks on the dashboard is not getting any life. There's no lights, nothing at all, which is what essentially alluded to the point of the people that tried to help me, that maybe possibly there's no power to the ECU. And yeah, it's just been it's been a headache, to say the least. So therefore the immobilizer, which is now engaged as it is, will not disengage, both via fob, via different codes, which I'll touch on a little bit later. And yeah, it's just the fuel pump is not engaging, because the fact that the immobilizer is engaged and it's stuck in that state. The fuel pump is not engaging, which means it's not pumping fuel, so it's not starting. It just turns over. That's all. It's just constant. And I've tried so many things. In fact, I'm just gonna go and read through what I've tried so far. Yeah. So there's a new battery for it. Didn't work. All new fuses in the fuse box. Didn't work. Tried a whole new ECU in a 5AS system, and shout out to Andrew. I'm not going to say his surname just in case he doesn't want it in the video. But he was awesome. One of the guys from the MGZS180 group. And he sent me an ECU in a 5AS system for free. Didn't even want payment for it. Didn't work. And he tried to walk me through it and even put me on someone else that tried to help me through it. And he's the one that basically pointed out to me that it sounds like the ECU is not getting power. It's just a struggle. It's honestly just a struggle. The bypass code, the immobilizer bypass code, where you have to turn the key certain ways and whatnot, doesn't work at all. The fob reset technique, where you press the fob buttons at different times and for a certain amount of time, didn't work. With the key in the door, with the key in the actual key chamber, didn't work. And that's both with the battery connected and disconnected. None of it has worked at all. Tried new batteries in the fobs, didn't work. Whatever you can possibly think of, I have tried. And with that being said, this is just a reach out for help. I'm not selling this car, it's not for sale. I want it, it's mine. When it was moving and it was rolling on my private road, when I was able to drive it, even without power steering, I was so impressed. And I love it. Every time I look at it, I can't part with it. I can't. So yeah, anyone watching this video, it's really short and sweet. I just need assistance. If someone could put me into directions of specialists, and there are people out there, and I'm not going to name and shame them because they may have different reasons as to why they haven't helped me, but I have basically begged and written life essays of what I need this car for and the fact that it's not working and everything like that. I haven't had any help, none. So yeah, anyone that can actually help me with this, I want it on the road. I want to start modifying it. I want to start using it for its purposes, track days, and also just for general B-road driving. This is like perfect weather for it. Excuse the ice cream van. But yeah, please. There's no niceties with it. I'm just being straight to the point. And I do actually love this thing. So yeah. Thanks for listening.